Welcome back to another episode of the Sneaker Stash. My name is the OG Kicks with another banger, man. Today we got a little pickup. It might be from Snkrs app because I did recently get two items off of the Snkrs app. I'm sure no addresses, no addies, please. And yeah, bang, man. Got the KD. Got the dope box with the little shimmer, glitter, glamour, whatever. All throughout the box, man. Mirror type vibe going on. Jump crazy. Got the green bottom. The little sticker right there. That's a sticker too. Colorway reads KD19 Field Purple University Gold. Size 11. Bang, man. And yeah, see the little indent from the top. Got the little bamboo looking paper. You know what I'm saying? Bow, man. You got the kicks. Purple joints. This is KD19. What's this color again? Field Purple University Gold. You got the Field Purple University Gold. Taking the kicks out, man. Yeah, these dogs is dope. See the paper all over, say KD all up and down. Look like bamboo. I could be wrong though. A little sticker right there, corner. No green and white sticker though. But yeah. Dope box, different box. And you got the kicks, man. Bow, man. The KD19. You heard me about to say KD19 Jones Field Purple University Gold. And I don't see no gold. I don't see no gold on these. Inside, man, you got the green KD. Started with the outer. Purple all over purple outer with this weird traction. Got some kind of something right there. Got this foam material, man. 160. I think they was going for like 160. They should be below retail on StockX though. But got a little something right there. Purple laces, man. There's a nice little fiber type tongue. Fiber type sock liner. Insole, purple insole. Stuff with white tissue paper, man. Yeah, all over Purple Jones, man. Dope traction. Everything earned. Written on the side right there. And the everything earned joints. Yeah, just all over foam material, man. I like a little Z or lightning bolt or something right there. Like a little zigzag up in there a little bit. And yeah, I guess this is shorty, man. I guess this is gonna be short, man. You know what I'm saying? Got your little Nike little swoosh right there on the side. Little Easter eggs though. That's supposed to be right there. Is that a yeah, you got like a number 7 or something right there. On that piece right there, man. That's about it, man. Short little check-in with y'all real quick. Nothing too much, you know. Nice what's this, second day of summer? You know what I'm saying? It's a rainy day in the DMV though, man. You got lightning, thunder, man, rain, man. Nasty day in the DMV today, but you know, it's a good day to rest, man. After all your little Father's Day shenanigans, you know what I'm saying? There's some good sleep ever going on out there, and yeah, that's about it, man. Still waiting on those University 5, University blue, black 5 joints, man. Waiting on those to get in. Quiet week, man. You know what I'm saying? After those 5s, people went crazy for them. I guess they get more in tune on how to drop. How to people are human and times is tight. You drop a banger like the 5s. You had them lined up. This week, I guess they're gonna just take it light, man. And they already talking about scaling back anyway. And so we see it happening. So, but yeah, that's about it, man. I think I'm about done right here. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate y'all for stopping through, man. Shout out to all my new subscribers, man. Got the KD19s on deck for hooping, good hoop shoe. And I catch y'all when those University Blues get here, or unless it's a mall vlog or a quick little pickup vlog or something come through first. But other than that, man, appreciate y'all for stopping through. Like your age, not your shoe size. Treat yourself, never cheat yourself. And if it don't fit, don't force it, baby. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. See ya.